Hello nursery and welcome to our little math session today. I'm going to use the little ladybird from the story What the Ladybird Heard to explain some maths learning today. We are going to look at adding. So that is counting, adding some two amounts together to find out how many altogether. So we're going to add the ladybird spots. Here is my ladybird. Remember, the ladybird heard, but he never said a word. Let's add those spots to it. So, I have got wings on my ladybird. This side here and this side here. I would like to add the spots and then find out how many spots the ladybird has altogether. So, I'm going to look at drawing my circles. Can you see? So how many spots has a ladybird got so far? Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 on this side. We're going to draw some more spots this way. Can we have a go at counting the spots on that side? Let's try. 1, 2. Brilliant. So he has 3 spots on this side, 2 spots on that side. But that question is, how many spots altogether? So we are going to now need to count how many he has got together without stopping either side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our ladybird has told us 3 add 2 is 5 spots. 3 add 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3 add 1, 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Let's have a go at another ladybird. Here it is. Again, he's got no spots, so let's add some in. I'm going to draw them on and I want you to see if you can have a go at counting them this time. Tell your grown-up at home how many you've counted on this side. And then we're going to have a go at adding some more on the other side. How many on the other side of the ladybird? Can we have a go at counting? And how many if we add them together? Let's count them all. Shout out that number, how many? Brilliant, I hope your grown-ups heard you say that. I'm going to count it now with you and we can work out whether we added the numbers together correctly. Were we right? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my number 4. Let's count the other side. 1, 2, 3. There's my number 3. And how many all together? If we add 4, add, here's the add sign. Do you recognise it? Do you remember that from nursery? 4, add 3. How many all together then? To tell us when we get the answer, we add an equal sign at the bottom here. So our number sentence is 4, add 3 equals. And then we need to write the answer to how many. We've been doing it practically, doing the counting, but if you can challenge yourself, see if you can write down the numbers to your counting and make your own number sentence. We'll look at that again in a minute. So let's find out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, add 1, 2, 3. So 4 add 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there is our answer. So 4 spots add 3 spots equals 7. Now that's a tricky number sentence at the bottom there, isn't it? But as long as you count those dots, you'll find the answer. It's always tricky to write those numbers, but give it a go if you can. Our next number, Ladybird. Again, we've got no spots, but look, we've got some missing numbers from our number boxes here. What do you think we need to do? If Mrs. French draws on the spots on either side, what do you think we need to write in those boxes? That's right, we need to count and write down those missing numbers. Oh look, what's written here in the middle? Can anyone remember what we just said that was called? It was the add sign, wasn't it? Because we're going to add this number to this number. We're going to put them together and find out how many. Here comes the spots. So this empty box is underneath this side, so I'm going to write the number here that matches the amount on this side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. Don't forget, I'm going to go down the road, round the corner, and whoops, I forgot my hat. Number 5. Have a practice at writing them if you can. If not, can you do your adding, your counting here, and ask your grown-up to write the numbers that you count. Let's move over onto this side then. We should all know how many here. How many on here? 1. Brilliant. There we go. We're going to add the 5 and the 1 together. Now let's find out how many altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 add 1 equals 6. Brilliant. We're going to very quickly move on to our number sentence boxes again. This time we've got 3 empty boxes because we want to be able to write down the answer. Let's start from the beginning. Add in those spots, fill in those boxes, have a go. I'm going to draw the spots and I'm not going to talk through the maths this time. I'm going to leave it for you to have a think and work through. So here I am with those spots. There we are. I'm just going to hold it up for you. See if you can work out what numbers come in this box, then this box, then this box. Have a go. Count those spots. I'm going to leave that one with you and ask your grown up to figure out the answers with you. Ask them to explore their counting and see if you've got your numbers right. Very quickly on the last challenge, the challenge for you is to draw your own ladybird out and then to draw the spots by looking at the numbers. So this time the numbers are here but no spots. So we are going to have to look at the number to draw the spots. The video time is just about to run out, so I'm going to stop this video and join you back in 1 second. Stay where you are.